This is a brand new 2014 Ford Mustang, as comfortable on the track as it is on the streets. This car has an automatic transmission and a 6-cylinder engine. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning, cruise control, a driver airbag, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a rear spoiler, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.